Hello and welcome back to another how to bloke. Now, it's going to be me, the editor, actually doing a voiceover for this video since our cameraman forgot to turn on the actual microphone. So all of this video is with full commentary, so I'm going to be trying to explain as best as I possibly can on what How to Bloke has been doing here to prepare this nice dish. Now, this is a side dish that can resemble a potato gratin or a potato dauphinoise. You mainly use potatoes, obviously, and we've got different other ingredients such as carrots, onions, and sweet potato. He's going to be serving one pot creamy dish with some steak, which is going to be the main protein of this dish. Now, it's very simple to make this dish. You will need 7 potatoes, about 4 carrots, about 2 red onions and a normal onion, and 1 sweet potato. You then need to peel all the vegetables or the potatoes and the sweet potato, and you want to start boiling up the potato and sweet potato to make sure that they're not too hard, and you remove the starch out of them. You also want to cut up the vegetables kind of thin but not too thin so that they don't burn, so that you can eat them easier and they cook much faster. Now, for the extra ingredients, you will need cream, some garlic, some crème fraiche, and some milk. This is very important as the potato dauphinoise does use these sort of ingredients. You then want to get an oven tray and a Pyrex to be able to put all the ingredients in. Now, first we put in the actual onions. We then put in the carrots, the sweet potatoes, and the potatoes on top, and they should resemble what's on your screen right now. Now, you can mix them up a tiny bit just to make sure that everything is nice and neat, but do beware that the potatoes need to be on top so they can cook first. You then want to add some black pepper and salt, and then you want to add a handful of garlic. And once you're done that, you want to get your measuring jug. You then want to pour the whole cream into the measuring jug. You then want to get 2 tablespoons of crème fraiche, put it in the mixture and mix it. You then want to get about half a cup of milk and put it in there and stir again. As you can see here, you kind of want to get it up so that all the vegetables on the bottom are covered and the top one to have a little bit of cream and milk. Now, to cook this dish, you will have to put it at 180 degrees centigrade and cook it for 2 hours. Look at it after an hour. Just put in the oven, wait an hour, and then open up the oven and have a look at it. Look at the liquids to see if it has dehydrated. If it has, then add more, make a little bit more of the mixture, add more. If not, then put it back in the oven and then wait another hour. So it has been 2 hours, and now we're just going to remove the dish out of the oven and have a look at it to see the final result, and voila. So this looks really good. As you can see here, the potatoes are nicely cooked, everything that's on the bottom is cooked, everything on top. And this is just really delicious. It does feed a family of 4. And the way to see if a potato is cooked is you poke the potato through and it's not hard, anything at all. It's perfectly good. And after further tasting of this dish, I can confirm it is as tasty as you see on screen. Now, this is the perfect side dish to go with steak. This is why I'm going to cook steak today. I'm going to cook it a little bit later, just before serving. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. Sorry for the commentary. This is only a one-time thing, and How to Bloke will go back to his normal video style after this video is published. I got cooking tips up here, quick tips, and then DIYs on the bottom. If you want to subscribe, it's over here. Until next time.